Oh, your baby want. I would want to eat those too, Sharenda. It's super cute. You have to see in person. It looks adorable. And all of those like this cool fun things I'm doing is available on the $5 nail art. Is so such stunning. And then every week there are new dropping products. So if you haven't checking our like website in 1 week, you might want to browse through it again because something news every week dropping. So if you haven't checked it for a month, then you might be missing a lot of stuff, and you might have to check all the category again, see what ups with this. And almost all the products have a tutorial with this too. So make sure you close this because that will keep it from curing under your LED lights. Or even like if you're sitting right close to the window, which is stationed, it's just right direct to the sun, so just be careful. And after you're using, just make sure you close all the caps on to protect your investments. I am going to do a no wipe top coat, and because of this flowers, even though it's 3D, it still stay in the flat back, so you don't have to wait to get a little bit more condensed wool gel. This will stay nice and flat. So two colors, this one, I'm gonna do it right there. How about that? And maybe should I do this one? I have a smaller one. I just spilled it yesterday. How about that? They're so adorable. And then I can have Vicky request for this beads. She want this beads. Let me see. Really cool though. I can put the beads along, and it's so easy to apply. Promise, super easy. All right. So I'm happy with this. I'm gonna add some more. And let me see if I can find my AB here. And now you can do it straight. Should I do more? Add some more. You can do so many designs from this super cute jars. Like if you don't know what ideas to do, you pick one or two of this baby jars. It do everything for you. I'm just really literally so thrilled when I have this. You probably watching me doing a live. This is still my old jar. You can see it messing up, but I haven't get a new one yet, because let's see how many I can get out of this. So a lot of different design I did. All right. I'm using some clear fun crystal from there. Let me see, I have a little bars right there. So you're not sure what you're getting, or what idea, or how to start with your crystal placement. Get a couple of jars. You will really like enjoying it, because it have everything. Pretty much has like bars, charm, chains, anything you would need for your crystal placements. I'll use some of the beads right there. Looks so stunning. Continue to that one. few in between. You don't want the beads on it, you absolutely can skip the beads parts, but I like to add some on. It's just adding more, like it looks like a jewelry and it looks three-dimensional to me. Can you check on the comments for me?
Yeah.
Keep me stay on the loop with everyone.
I think life is going by.
Oh, bye, guys. Have fun. Have a nice Saturday with your family. Thanks so much for stopping by. Oh, just messed it up. Alright, I'm gonna continue to have a cascade down. If you don't like this look, you can absolutely start from like a middle of the nails. Right, okay. Happy birthday to Dom's daughter. She's turning 1 today. Dom, is your daughter turning 1 today? If I miss your comment. Alright. I think I like it a lot, but I'm gonna adjusting this bead before I gear. I feel so quiet though. I forgot because over time is so cool to have Vicky go live. Alright. I think I'm gonna add one more crystal right there. This is freestyle. You can do however you want. Don't limit to what you can do. Just challenge your limit. I'm using pumpkin spice. This one is so cool. Like even after Halloween, this one will be a great colors for Thanksgiving. So nice, so warm, and it's so bright and cheer up. Alright. So what do you think? How much would you charge in prices for your clients? How much is nails would be good for you to price for the clients? I'm filling it in. Hey Sylvia. I have some furs on my picker. I don't know where that come from. Alright, so gear. If you're happy with this one, gear this one for 60 seconds. Nay, we chucked just now for $100. You think that's overpricing though? You're so gorgeous though. Gear for 60 seconds. Hold on. I think I'm just thinking of something. Sorry. Do I get another chain there? I might have another right there. Sorry. Decide to add on at the last minute. if you're missing something. Now it looks complete to me. All right, here, 60 seconds.